state-wise, year-wise I filed it. Your Lordships, I looked at it last time. It is state-wise. So, for example, at A3, for the year 2023, Your Lordships, the number of applications that were decided were about 168. In the next year, 270.
So that is only for the purpose of disbursement of
That's right.
compensation.
The number of cases.
Data, is there any reservation or any benefits for them?
Under the RPWD Act?
Are they treated as disabled or?
There is no reservation as such when it comes to recruitments or appointments or adjusting them in any government job. In fact, it was mentioned in one of the proceedings.
Any scholarships?
No, nothing. That's what our prayer was, in fact, in the first
Have a
writ
scheme
petition.
for them.
There is no such reservation which can bring them back into the mainstream, so to say. Second, also, we've now filed an affidavit where it shows, the acid victims' extent of these injuries they suffer and the surgeries that are required. At times, one of the victims has been shown in the report of the NALSA to have received about 8 lakhs or something. But the injuries are we've specified 90% burns and 90% injuries. And the surgeries which have taken place are more than 24 or 22. So their 8 lakh would be really nothing in today's time. So 3 lakhs is what was minimum that was directed by this court in the first judgment of Lakshmi.
But there are certain
in
schemes
2000.
available, no? Central government schemes.
As I understand, the states after those directions did come out with the schemes, which is why they filed the affidavit saying we have the scheme, we have the scheme. They have the scheme for acid victims and other victims. So it's the data is really, if they have disbursed the amount, it will be what NALSA has done and what they have given on public platforms.
Crime also.
So, that's right. Victim compensation scheme generally as a broader scheme is there. Under that, we've identified acid attack survivors, and that data I've provided. But the actual number of cases we may not. That data, what your Lordships are asking, perhaps we won't have.
I'll try to give that data. My colleague has filed the latest application for additional documents. Annexure, this is IA 82001 of 26 millets. A1 has the data. There were certain victims who suffered the attack in 2008, and 70% of burns, and no compensation, nothing.
No, we should have data of the who victims are, whether they have approached.
We've also filed certain document to show wherever they've gone for surgeries, they had to arrange somehow, take loan or, apart from the help that they were getting to an extent, from the state government through the NALSA and the state authorities. Please have that chart as A1 millets. Supposed to charge, even they are charging.
No, but is there any
I'm saying it on the basis of documents. Yes, so there has I was just suggesting if my colleague
scheme is there for treatment.
No, not for treatment. It's only for disbursement. Even that compensation, it's not the fund that they have.
Medical treatment.
Actually,
is there any central scheme or state scheme for medical treatment?
States come out with schemes, and these are pursuant to 2014 directions.
Yes.
Now, at that time, when the second order was passed, a suggestion was made during the hearing that there should be a separate compensation board. However, it was felt that this infrastructure, it was felt that the infrastructure is already in place in terms of state legal service authority, district. So they became the disbursement.
Not on compensation.
They became the disbursement procedures.
Free medical treatment.
There has to be a centralized system.
That is what we are asking.
May I just indicate?
Whether there is a scheme for free medical treatment.
In fact,
which state has it?
Your Ladyship, one of the petitions prayer, specifically in this petition,
was with respect to issue of direction for wholesome consolidated rehabilitation scheme of the victims, inclusive of treatment of physical injuries and rebuilding their life socially and physiologically. With respect to that, every state has put in their details. For instance, with
There is a
res-
scheme.
rehabilitation as well as treatment schemes are in place, Your Lordship. Treatments are inclusive of that, Your Lordship.
Free treatment.
Once there is a free treatment scheme, so all the hospitals have been directed to provide free treatment, including the plastic surgeries to the
But is it happening?
On the ground, no.
And then it's located from the same that is being done in the city. In fact, it should.
So whether there
And
can be a
let's-
scheme set up in each
And
of the states.
special
and
medical
free
cards are also issued.
Lordship will consider
free treatment.
the documents that we have placed show the practical reality to be
Because
completely
tremendous
different.
expenditure with regard to not only the burns but also the plastic surgery. Plastic surgery.
That's
Then firstly physically they have to be rehabilitated. Thereafterwards in life. But physical rehabilitation takes so much of,
yes.
you see, funds are required. Is there a state scheme we are asking?
That's,
Your Lordship, there is a scheme under which includes provision related
In
to
which state?
Chhattisgarh,
Uh,
rehabilitation and medical assistance for acid attack victims, and the funds are being allotted and they are being dispersed through state legal services. Legal
No,
services.
that must be compensation only as victim compensation. No, for treatment.
Even the
That in particular hospitals, they will get free treatment. In government hospitals,
Plus, can I say something? Because every state will stand up and say they have the schemes, they are there. Whether it's reaching the victims is where the
whether
bottleneck,
free
yes.
treatment is provided, and if so, how many
Details of
have been provided?
Because if it's possible to have a centralized system where they don't have to run and even by online they can, apply and go ahead and get the funds. Now, difficulty is this.
No,
As
but
per
if-
orders of this honorable court, my lords, no hospital is to refuse the treatment. Leaving
we are
aside
saying
refuse treatment, my lords, they are charging even government hospitals.
Government
we've-
hospital,
Mirrors from OT, a patient was returned that you have to go because no deposit, so we can't do the surgery from OT.
for government.
Please see page 19.
Question.
Mirrors, I am with documents. I am
Only
speaking. I am
some
not.
registration charges, something like that, it will be not.
Nothing is happening. Mirrors, there has and a card more like an Ayushman card if is given to
There
such
are-
victims.
Find out if there are any schemes.
So, in fact,
Central schemes or state schemes where they can get free treatment.
The states-
State of Manipur has a scheme for disbursement of up to rupees 5 lakhs for treatment, but that does not clearly indicate that it will be given to the hospital. It is to be given to the victims of the acid attack. Our scheme clearly provides that they will be entitled to 5 lakhs for treatment. This is
There can be a transfer to the hospital if the data is being uploaded on a centralized monitoring base. Mirrors.
You have to
I'm
think
sure in
about-
these times we can.
Something can be, some
Yes.
system can be put in place so that you see the funds are allocated firstly by the government in each state for this kind of treatment, and secondly disbursement, or the funds can go directly to the government hospital if it has to be charging something.
Immediate.
Otherwise, our impression is in government hospital treatment is free.
it is.
No,
Yes.
the documents my colleague has placed on record, Millets, with his application. Your Lordship must consider those documents to see the reality. Even we standing here wouldn't know. They are the ones who suffer. So this time we asked
They
them.
are charging.
Yes, Millets. We have filed those documents with that IA number that I gave. It's been filed by my learned colleague. Please see the
In the state of Nagaland,
and Ministry of Health problems.
States and union territories can find out.
Your Lordship, in the state of Nagaland, we have a victim compensation scheme which is notified. In the scheme itself, it provides that the DLSA will look into the application, also consider the treatment amount, and then give case-to-case basis. That is the system that is prevalent in Nagaland. But in so far as Nagaland is concerned, there's no acid attack cases.
Payment of money and
Yes, Your Lordship.
here are saying
Your Lordship in Haryana,
Treatment cost is included in the compensation, but there's no provision.
treatment.
Yes, there's no
Lordship, in
provision. for that
Haryana,
as such.
there is a scheme, Your
5
Lordship.
lakh can be for immediate care and so many things.
Money. directly treatment has to be provided by the hospital. Such a scheme must be there.
Your Lordship, in Haryana, Your Lordship, in
Bring
Haryana,
them
there
in
is a scheme, Your Lordship.
instructions.
No question of disbursement of money to the victim.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Straight away, the treatment
Government hospital.
must be there in a government hospital for the victims. Free treatment.
It's probably
Your Lordship, in Haryana, there is a
centralized,
scheme,
as I
Your
say,
Lordship.
monitoring platform
No,
online for all states
state
also
wise.
to, and hospitals to give the information to the state Ministry of Health.
That's good. Disability Act of 2016.
46.
WD Act is there.
In the schedule, physical disability includes acid attack victims.
Yes.
So this can be brought in. These victims can be brought within
Specified the third
ambit
schedule.
of this act.
Physical disability. Acid attack victims.
It can be brought within the ambit of this act.
Those provisions are there in CRPC also, IPC also, but the new BNSS also. The difficulty lies when it has to reach the victims. How? The modality. That's how, Millers, in the second order of Lakshmi, the NALSA and the district authorities were given that responsibility. They have-
submit, some kind of a
Scheme.
Please,
your
Millers,
report.
Yes,
allow
we
me
can-
to file
Your Lordship,
effective directions that
Whether
would-
any state has it as of now.
Your
Your Lordship, in Haryana,
Just give us time to take
Your Lordship, may I
instructions.
submit, Your
because I
Lordship,
am
in
not
Haryana,
sure
there is a
nothing
I'm
scheme,
sure
Your
the
Lordship,
learned friends would like to
wherein
file
the
the
acid
reply.
victims
I
are
would like to
entitled
file
to
a note on
100% free
effective
treatment, Your
directions
Lordship.
and a mechanism. At least my suggestion.
That you can give your suggestion.
And so that NALSA can also look into it and see how
We
it
have
is
got
possible
Council
with the
for
direction of this.
Petitioner and Learned Council for the Respondent States, Stroke Union Territories, and Learned Council for NALSA. We find that in the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, 2016, acid attack victims are considered to be persons with physical disability in terms of clause ZC of section 2 of the said act. Which defines specified disability to mean a disability specified in the third schedule. We also note that we are also conscious of the fact that acid attack survivors require medical treatment and rehabilitation. Insofar as medical treatment to the acid attack victims are concerned, it is not known as to whether the states, stroke union territories have any particular scheme for their treatment, either in government hospitals or in private hospitals. One of the purposes of filing this writ petition, we think, is to ensure that such a scheme is put in place in the states and union territories so that the victims, the said victims, are not deprived of timely treatment and medical assistance. Full stop. In the circumstances, we direct the states and union territories to ascertain as to whether any such scheme exists wherein the acid victim are given treatment in the government or private hospitals, as the case may be. The said information shall be submitted to the Learned Council for NALSA as well as Learned Council for the petitioner by the Learned Council for the states, stroke union territories within a period of 2 weeks from today. So please just
Your Lordship,
give a
Your
mail.
Lordship, in state of Haryana, there is a scheme, Your Lordship, wherein
Ah.
the acid victims are entitled to 100% free treatment in government hospitals and government approved hospitals.
Further, if any
Your Lordship,
such
we have mentioned in our affidavit also this fact.
Further, if any such scheme exists in any of the states or union territories, the same may be placed on record. We'll just compare the schemes and then see the best
Whichever is the best,
practices.
yes.
May I just make one submission? Your Lordship is dictating order. Because my
I'll be
learned
sending a copy of the same on Learned Counsel for NALSA and Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
my colleague had filed an.
Learned Senior Counsel or Counsel?
Because I'm a counsel. If your Lordship blesses me with the senior word, I'll be happy.
Yes.
Blessings are always important.
Yes.
Milords, page 7 is the annexure A1. That's the chart that we've placed on record with respect to certain more victims who have not got any compensation. So if my learned colleague can look into it, I'll
That
be
you
grateful.
can give the.
Milords, she has it.
I will do it. I'll
That's an observation will help her also, I'm sure.
I'll do it.
Very well, very
She has been assisting the court in other matters also.
grateful.
Therefore, how much time this Union of India has any scheme for acid survivor, acid victims, with regard to
There are-
treatment? There must be some scheme.
There are schemes, we'll file it.
Learned AST appearing for Union of India submitted that she would also ascertain about any scheme which has been put in place by the central government and give details of the same. Karnataka has? Yes. You place wherever there are such schemes, place it on record, give a copy to Learned Counsel for the petitioner and Learned Counsel for NALSA. Yes. How much time now?
In the meanwhile, an order may be passed that the states will ensure that such a free treatment is given to her.
So that
No,
we
in the
can't,
meanwhile,
we can't just.
otherwise it will be.
First,
Because
if you already have, then we can further give further directions in that scheme.
As well.
If it is not there, then we have to say you make such a scheme. So therefore, we don't know.
My counter is on record, Maloj, which talks about the schemes.
Ah.
If I can just read it, Maloj. In light of the disparity in the quantum of compensation notified by various state governments duties for the victims of similar crimes, the answering respondent, Union of India, issued the Central Victim Compensation Fund
No, we are
guidelines.
not on victim compensation. We are on treatment. Scheme for treatment. Medical
Then I'll get back,
treatment.
Maloj.
Yes. Scheme for medical treatment and assistance. Yes. So when do you want it? Within 2 weeks, you give that information to Petitioners Council, list on. You will have to give your suggestions.
Please, Milords, that's what
Learned Counsel for the petitioner also submitted that having regard to the earlier order passed by this court in the case of Lakshmi,
Please, ma'am.
and in view of the several directions that have been passed in this writ petition, a set of suggestions for the consideration of this court would be submitted by the next date of hearing. When do you want it, please?
No,
Today is 24th.
that's convenient to Milords. Any date except for 1st April, I'm saying yes.
No, it's too early. First is
No, except for 1st April.
1st April is a miscellaneous day.
Because I don't want 1st April. I'm saying except for
No,
1st April.
but date
Too early.
too early.
Should not be low.
Very well, Milords. Have it after
28th April.
April end, Milords.
28th.
28th is fine. Grateful.
Yes.